Quick fix part 14. If your car's leaking oil and you notice it coming from this area, it's time for a new valve cover gasket. First, locate your spark plug wires or ignition coils. Note the order they run to the cylinders. Then pop them out, just like that. The other side pops off the coil pack. And set those guys to the side. Now disconnect the PCV hose and the intake vent hose, like so. Then locate all the bolts holding on the valve cover. Crack them loose from the outside in. Got him. Finally pull the valve cover up and off and check out that beautiful valve train. Finally flip this guy upside down, yank out the old gasket. Yippee! Grab some brake clean, spray it on a towel, clean up all the way around the groove. Do the same for the mating surface on the head. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Also grab a plastic scraper to remove any old gasket until it's nice and clean like this. Then grab some RTV gasket maker, apply a thin bead, just like that, in the corners where the cam caps meet the head. Now just grab your new gasket, drop it into place, press it into the groove to where it's nice and flush like this. Then drop this puppy back on, drop back in the bolts, hand snug them up in a spiral pattern, spin, spin, spin. Now wait about an hour, then torque them down in the same pattern. Reinstall the PCV hose, the vent hose, and last but not least, the spark plug wires or ignition coils. And there you have